Samuraiser! Go, go, Samurai!
He won't hurt Kevin. I hope you're right.
I can't believe this is happening.
What are you thinking? That's Kevin!
Wake up, Kev! You're fighting Jayden! You can't do this!
Come on, Kevin! I know you're in there!
Spin sword! Dragon splash!
Oh man, this is so not cool. Stop!
Shut your pie hole! No talking during the show!
Looks like we have a winner.
Who are you?
Doesn't matter who I am. What matters is who's winning. It's not the man in blue.
What? How can you tell?
Because he's fighting as if he's trying to win a training point rather than a real duel. It's a lot different when you're fighting for survival. You fight with instinct. You have to watch your target like a hawk. It's easy to get tired in a long battle when there's no one to say stop. The Red Warrior has a good stance. It reduces arm fatigue. He'll stay strong. And when the blue goes for the point, the red will see his opening and he'll strike. He's looking for a decisive blow. That's the difference between these two.
Come back to us, Kevin! This should break the spell!
What have you done? Blue! My puppet!
Kevin! Kevin!
I was right. The Red Ranger is the perfect opponent for my Uramasa.
Kevin! Kevin! Wake up, Kevin! You probably need some air, guys.
What happened?
Right now, we have some work to do.
If you're up to it, I think it's time we battle someone who isn't on our own team.
You're on.
Samurai Rangers, ready!
Tiger Zord! Crush them!
You guys take care of the Nylok. I'll handle the Tiger Zord.
We're on it!
Let's go!
I hate to put another ally in harm's way, but we have no choice. I knew this was going to be tough, but not this tough. Whoa! Time for this cat fight to end. Stay down. I gotta do this fast. Tiger Zord, resist power. All right, our cool cat's back on our side.
Oh, Blue!
Look! The Tiger
What? Now they've turned Tiggy against me too!
Show's over, Nylock!
Not so fast!
Spin sword, 4-element strike!
Not fair! You teamed up on me! Now you've got a big problem! Bad Kitty!
Welcome back home, Tiger. Let's finish this.
Yield to my shield!
Oh yeah? This cat has claws. Attack, boy! Sometimes when you play in the dirt, you just end up losing ground. But here's a move that'll help us part ways with this creep. This vault is all yours, Nylock.
No! What's happening? I'm earthquaking in my boots! This can't happen to me! I'm the baddest of the bad!
Come on, let's have...
Zords combined!
Armed for battle!
You're nothing but a hairball! Your Megazord is useless! My shield is the real deal!
I think we can break his shield with the Tiger Drill. Get ready!
Mega Blade, activate!
Tiger Drill, charge!